harvesting their crops. Kids at Hilton Head Island Elementary School are getting their hands dirty, digging up sweet potatoes.
Some people were taking turns cutting the vines, and other people had gloves on and were pulling out the sweet potatoes in the vines.
These 5th grade students helped build the garden last year, constructing the beds, adding the soil, and planting the seeds.
We build the outside edge, and then we put soil, fertilizer. So then we put the worms to make more soil, and we planted the plants.
It's good to put compost down because it makes it like more nutritious, and there's dirt and the soil and the fertilizer made the potatoes really big.
The garden was built to help teach kids about farm-to-table gardening and the benefits of growing their own foods. The sweet potatoes were planted in May. Once they're ready, they'll be given to the cafeteria staff so they can be cooked and served to all the students in the school.
The sweet potatoes are harvested, they're not cleaned, they're placed in a sunny spot in the kids' court for a week. And the idea is that the starch is turning into sugar, instead, thus sweet potato. So in October, we'll be giving these sweet potatoes to our cafeteria staff. We'll be preparing it for the school. So everything has been homegrown.
The kids say they've learned a lot about gardening and can't wait to taste the sweet potatoes.
We learned how to not damage the plant, how to be responsible, and to check on it every day and for it not to die.
I'm kind of excited because I've never tried sweet potato before, and I like to try new things.
The students harvested more than 100 sweet potatoes. At Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.